Wax pot is already turned off. I already bleached this area down, as y'all saw in the other video, earlier in the video. I always have my glue on in case I get like wax somewhere. I use this to like clean everything off. Face mask, of course, and wax strips, because sometimes she likes to get her legs. The two girls that I'm doing today, they like getting their legs waxed. And I have my hard wax here, and then my soft wax. Ooh, here. This is kind of hot. Soft wax here, and I use this on the soft wax. So now, y'all, this is my pre-cleanse here. That always goes first. This is my bump solution for after I wax. That goes last, and then here's some oil that goes on the vagina after I cleanse it. It's just a little. Yeah, after I oil. What was that first? Yeah, oil, and then I put my powder, which I use the cornstarch non-GMO powder, and then my hand gloves, of course. Yeah, I use this to apply my oil. So then here's my wax that I use. I use the black curl wax. This is May, and then this is the white one, and then I use the black. I'm not sure what's. So yeah, we have the strips, the mask, my glue gun in case I weigh something, my pre-cleanse, my oil, my waxing powder, bump solution for after I'm done. This is what I use to apply my vitamin E oil. I only have my wax bags here to fill back up my hard wax, my gloves, and then my wax sticks. I'm actually going to turn this all the way up so it can melt the wax faster. So I have to change the angle of my camera because my wax bed is going to go there. Let's all in that bag. Bring it all the way back to the wall. Actually, I'm gonna move this bed all the way over here so I can have walking room. And let's just spray some Clorox on here because my waxing covered thing is in Chicago. So yeah, good thing I know these people. Some people would not want to sit on no dirty bed, stay on the bed, but this fan, I'm gonna put it here. I don't want to put it too close to the bed or else it's going to melt the wax. So, dry the wax out too fast. So I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, now I'm going to start filling up my wax pot. Just with the soft wax. Okay, so y'all, my wax stick box broke. So please don't make fun of me. So I'm just gonna press it down. Let me bring y'all closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm actually gonna take out one of these wax strips right here. Okay, now I have y'all closer. I'm gonna get a new wax stick. And I already pushed the middle part down, so I'm just gonna keep swirling. So it's still some wax in there that's hard. I can feel it in the middle, that's why it's going like that. I'm gonna open up this bag and start pouring the black wax beads in there. The May, the white wax beads in. So I'm gonna let this seep in here. And whatever, like that. Let that sit in there for about 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna check my wax, and look at that, it melted. So I gotta, my first client gets here in another hour, so I'm gonna go ahead, turn this down to like 55, 60. No, actually I'm gonna turn it down to 45, 50 because last time she was kind of saying it was kind of hot. That's the whole process with that. Now I'm just gonna let that sit and cool down to about 45, 50, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and show y'all the consistency at 45, 50. All right, now I'm gonna have to clean my wax pot off after this. This is what my wax looks like. The top off of it, but I am gonna test just to see how hot it is right now. Oh, and that's hot. Oh, that's hot, that's hot, that's hot. So I'm gonna turn this down a little bit more. That is hot. I'm gonna take a stick, put it like that, and then to leave a little crack in there so the wax can cool down just a little bit. But yeah, this is hot. Yeah, he always get out.
Good for him.
I know, right? Oh, you can put your stuff over there on that chair right there.
Okay.
I had got this little fan, but if you still get hot, I can open the window and like a lot of
We don't
breeze.
see.
A lot of... Okay, you sit on the bed. Because you know, working from home, you can do a lot.
Else.
You can do a lot.
The aftershave you used last time, I really liked it.
Okay, good.
I like that one.
Have you been exfoliating?
I do, and I used. Listen, it was.
So I don't know about the exfoliator.
Okay.
I don't know like how well it breaks the skin. The exfoliator that I use is from European Wax Center.
Okay. Mine is.
Yeah, because it's so fine and it's the beads are. Yeah. The beads are small for you. What are you getting? Just a Brazilian, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
My hands start doing. I know my coochie sweat too. You wash your hands?
I'm rewatching it, girl. I love rewatching stuff.
I love rewatching stuff.
I don't care how nobody feels. That's
I just finished.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
It's ridiculous. I'm gonna clean the whole thing. How did it feel?
That's
perfect, ain't it?
Yeah.
I was telling you ain't getting too much. Good.
What's this one on you on?
This just one. Girl, I just restarted.
Like
Yeah, I just restarted this.
I haven't been back since after my funeral, so I know you probably dreading that first time.
Girl.
You did that. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do one lip really quick.
Really quick. It's really started like treating women crazy. It's really America right now.
Yeah, that's why I'm rewatching this. I need to make sure I'm prepared. No, I'm just kidding. The crazy thing is about this movie, it's like really showing, I mean this show is really showing they don't care about skin color. But you know what? I would take this over Hunger Games.
Taking my baby is crazy.
Taking my baby is wild. And raising them as your own, that's wild. Like, they literally took that lady black baby.
That's what?
No, it's just the creep. I'm so sorry for this.
You just thought already done. Oh, shit. Thank you, Jesus.
That's the first time I did it.
Oh.
You probably just ain't feel it because it didn't get caught like the other side.
Oh, we're probably.
I just wanted to you clean up and then listen.
You still make this very easy.
Your ingrowns aren't that bad though.
Some
of them are coming out with the wax, yes.
Okay.
Did you have fun in Belize?
Girl, a time. Like I got the travel bug now. Like, now
Oh, y'all dating?
Yes.
Okay, you can knees to chest. Okay. Knees to chest, but like that, yeah.
Is your baby still with your mom?
Maybe in public school?
No, she's in private school now.
How much do you pay?
$600
a month? What private school she go to? Catholic or something?
Christian.
Christian?
I was looking.
You're done.
Ta-da.
Could you send me her school information?
I got, girl, I make way too much too. I just had somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody.
Oh, well, yeah, that type of food stamps, yeah. I get that type.
That's what I get.
You can Zelle my phone number.
Way to go get phone.
See you later.